everyone, in today's video we are going to install Docker in our macOS operating system, and the steps will remain same whether you are using Macbook M1, M2, M3, M4. In this video we are going to see how we can install Docker in our Mac operating system. In the next video we will see how we can containerize an application in a Docker. So to install this, we are going to head over to a browser, go to any browser and then head over to docker.com. Here you can see you already have an option for downloading Docker, and you can go ahead and select Mac Apple Silicon option from here. But let's see, if you want to see every detail like how we are going to install and the requirements, everything, you can go to the get started option and just basically click on learn how to install Docker. On this page you can see what is Docker desktop and what are its configurations and key features, and you can go get a read if you are like new to the Docker and you want to learn more about it. And below you can see there are the next steps, and just click on Mac. In the Mac we have option of Mac Silicon and Intel chips. Since we are using Apple Mac with Silicon, so we will click on Mac Silicon and the download will be started. We'll wait for this download to get start to finished, then we'll see the next steps what we have to do. So once your download is completed, just click on it, and what you have to do, just drag it to the application folder. And what will happen now, the installation for the Docker will be started. So it is extracting the files for Docker. Let's wait for this to get finished, then we'll see what are the next steps for this to proceed. So basically it is very simple process, we don't have to like worry about that much. We can go ahead and close this. If we go to here, you can just eject this because we don't need it, or what you can do is just delete the file, dmg file, later on. So now what we have to do, let's search for Docker if we have or not. So yes, we have Docker. Let's open it. Let's wait for it to get open and then we'll see the next steps. So we'll click on open. So now you can see it is open, and what we have to do is just accept this agreement. We'll use the recommended setting which requires password, and we'll click on finish. So what you have to do is just basically provide your MacBook password. Let's see for the installation to get completed. We'll allow this. And now what you can see, there is a work email and personal account you can create. But let me tell you, if you really don't need anything like requiring on the internet, obviously you can sign up for this, but just basically skip this part for right now. So you will just head over into the Docker part. So here you can see here are all the features. You can see what is RAM utilization, CPU utilization, and there are all the container images, volume, and Kubernetes and builds. So everything, when you start, when we see in the next video, you will see the containers will appear here and images will appear here. Also you can head over to terminal, and what you can check for the version as well of Docker. And here you can see you will get all the details for the Docker version, and similarly you can have Docker info which will give you all the info about your Docker. So yeah, this is the basic installation video. Here you can see we have Docker installed in our system, and Docker desktop is like much better thing. If you like go ahead and in the install part, in the setup, we can go in the Docker desktop. You can see we have like option of various key features, and you can learn about here how we can containerize an application. Otherwise we are going to see in the next part as well. So if you have any question, or you like feel like if there you are stuck somewhere in installation, please tell me and we'll try to resolve you in the comments. If you love the video, please do comment and like it and share with your friends. We'll try to make a few more videos on the Docker as soon as possible for you. And in the up bar you can also see Docker desktop is running. There is an icon here, may it be not showing because of the cropped recording, but there is a Docker desktop running. You can also check there this Docker is running or not. So yeah, that's it for the video. Please do tell me what kind of videos you want from this, and yeah, please do subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much.